Let's continue with this worksheet and practice naming another alkane. So we have this molecule right here that we're going to practice naming, and then over here you have the steps that we just went over to help you come up with a name for this alkane. So our first job is to find the longest carbon chain. In finding the longest carbon chain, we're going to start at any end. We could start at this end, we could start at this end, or we could start at this end. We're going to start at any end, and we're going to move towards any other end. Like maybe we would go this way. That would be one option. Or maybe we would go this way. That would be another option. Or we could go like this. That would be another option. So again, we're starting at one end of our choice and we're moving to another end of our choice. And our goal is to do that in a way that has the longest continuous chain of carbons. So you can probably see just by looking at it that the longest chain is going to be moving between those two ends right there. So that's our parent chain, our longest chain. Step number 2, we need to number that carbon chain. We're going to number it starting at the end closest to the substituent or the branch. So there is our substituent or branch, which means we want to start numbering on the right side because this branch is closer to the right side of the molecule than to the left side. We're going to number from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once we get the carbon chain numbered, then our next job is to locate and name our substituent. So here is our substituent, and it is located on carbon number 3, and its name is based on how many carbons are in the substituent. The substituent has just one carbon in it. Look back at that table. A 1 carbon substituent is called methyl. So now we're ready to put the name together. We put the substituent, the name of the substituent first, including its location, 3-methyl. And remember I told you you've got to put a dash or a hyphen in between the location and the name, 3-methyl. And then after that, we put the name of the parent chain. A 6-carbon parent chain is called a hexane. Again, you might be asking, whoa, where did she get methyl? Where did she get hexane? Those are coming off of the tables that I showed you in the previous lecture that are in your textbook. Just look at those tables and match up the structure of the substituent and match up the structure of the parent chain with what you see in your tables.